So today we are going to be doing a maintenance on a Payne package heat pump, an older one. Payne package heat pump. Look at that. Payne is a builder model for Carrier. So let's get into this thing and see what kind of shape it's in and see if we can't get it cleaned up just a tad. Okay, so I've got the fan disconnected. You got your brown wire coming onto the fan, you got your yellow wire that goes up there to the common, black wire from the fan goes there on the board. Now that we got this unhooked, we can take this top off and we can get to the coil and start breaking this thing down and see how dirty it is. Okay, we got the top off, and looking down in there, there's your blower assembly, and here's your condenser coil. But the part we want to look at is right down in there, and you can see it needs a little attention, but oh boy, in the condenser coil compartment, it's autumn. And hopefully there's no copper heads in those leaves or whatever, but let's get these panels here off so we can get to work on cleaning these coils. All right, we've got the panel off, and let's just take a looky here. Look at all this fun stuff. So, I mean, this is bad, but it's not horrible. It is a double coil, so you got to be, sometimes you got to be careful because stuff does get trapped in the middle sometimes. So it's important to make sure you have a good stream of water coming through this, and we'll show you what all that looks like. But yep, now we're gonna have to get the vacuum cleaner and let's clean it. Well, that ain't working too good. So all them leaves and everything in that condenser are like completely wet, and it had mud and all kinds of crap in it. So the old shop vac doesn't do the trick. So what I had to do is I had to get crafty, and I had to grab one of these and scoop it out like a man, manually style. Okay, so got the inside of there cleaned out pretty good. Got all the leaves and stuff out. All the drains are open, so we're ready to go ahead and wet this coil down and put some cleaner on it and go ahead and get the condenser coil clean. One of the first things I always start with is the handy dandy brush, and all of this crap you see on the coil, we just come through and just give it a good brushing. And we get all that junk off of there, and then we'll come in and wet it down and put the cleaner on it and give it a good thorough cleaning. I need to hire myself a better cameraman, don't I? Okay, well, this one here is good for another 100,000 miles or 3 years, whatever comes first. Got her looking nice and shiny, like a brand new penny. Indoor coil is clean. Outdoor coil is clean. Amp draws on the motors. Everything looks good. Capacitors look good. Checked all my connections. This one's ready to roll.